found a good owner?
Because there's so much to go on and so many people to pet him.
He's happy. I think he's happy here.
He likes being pet, that's for sure.
Yeah, I can tell.
Super duper
He likes
friendly.
being pet even more than Winnie. I'm not saying Winnie and him are both equal amount good. I'm just saying Herman is different than Winnie because Herman wouldn't like being pet as much.
Mama, why does Herman
Winnie
would
never do this.
He doesn't have a fat tummy, he's just a bigger cat than Winnie was, honey.
Oh.
I think it's time for that ride you
No,
want.
can I sit right there? I want to sit next to Herman. Can I sit right there? Can I sit next to Herman?
Right now it's Noah's turn, and then you can sit next to him next, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, that's right, Herman. That's right. Calm down. He's excited.
It's okay, those are just the dogs. Those are just the dogs. Herman.
Mom, meet my science fiction club.